Yesterday, I met a person. Just observe that. I met a person. That person is always trying to keep on giving the suggestions. You require to do like this. You require to do like this. Okay. You require to do something, some action, and so on. He's always trying to point out this is the mistake you are doing. That is the mistake you are doing. So this way you require to do that. That way you require to do that, and so on. Observe. I can't bear that person even for 5 minutes also. Just I told, okay, I have some session. I will let you know. Really, I'm not having the session. A bit urgent to go. Okay, later we will catch you. Thank you, man. Thanks for your feedback. Like that, with a smile. Just I told, and then I came out. Why, man? Why I'm not in a position to spend at least 5 minutes also with that person?
The way he is speaking.
He's always telling that you require to correct that, you require to correct this, you require to correct this, and so on. Human psychology. If you are keep on telling, the opposite person is also going to feel like this only. Self-respect, dignity, appreciation, these kind of things you require to maintain. Forgiveness, small mistakes anyone can do, man. No two persons in the world are always equal. No two persons in the world is always equal. Remember that. Are always, never. They never be equal in the world. Next, even, can you please tell, are you 100% perfect by keeping your hand on your heart? No one. No
Yes.
one, including me. No one. Then where is the question of pointing other mistakes, others' mistakes, small mistakes also. Keep on seeing from the magnifier. You are making your world as ugly world instead of beautiful world. Okay? Remember that.